Hi everyone, today we are going to learn on how to create your own password reset disk. This is a very easy to follow video. To begin with, click the start button. Then go to control panel. From the control panel, click the user account. Select create a password reset disk. For you to be able to use this, you need to insert a blank USB pen drive. It will notify you if there is no USB disk connected to your PC. A message will show up when a pen drive is connected. Now let's go ahead and create a reset disk by clicking the create a password reset disk. This wizard helps you create a password reset disk if you forgot that password. For this user account and are unable to log on, you can use this disk to create a new password. Note: no matter how many times you change your password, you only need to create this disk once. I repeat, you only need to create this disk just once, not twice, just once. Warning: anyone can use this disk to reset the password and therefore have access to your account. To store password recovery information on a USB flash drive, insert the USB flash drive before clicking the next button. This is the drive that your USB pen drive is connected to. Click Next. Just keep this blank and click Next. It is now complete. You've successfully created a password reset disk for this user account. Discard any previous disk that they can no longer be used. I do suggest that you label this disk, naming it at password reset, and keep it in a safe place. Click the Finish button. If you find this video helpful, please give a like, share this to your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, to get notified for new videos every Tuesday. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.